Alright, hello everyone. So it's been about 3 weeks since my last video, so this is I guess week 6 instead of week 3, which the last one was. I've been very busy. Like I've been very busy and so there hasn't been very much progress. I've been, doing some things for university and whatnot, so I've been very busy. I've got a few assignments due in a couple of weeks, so I've been doing the research and I'm slowly starting to write it. Obviously, writing it is no problem, but doing the research, that's obviously the thing that demands a lot of time. So that's why there hasn't really been any update videos or any videos whatsoever, because I haven't really been doing much, work on the piano that much. So for the last 2 weeks or so, the last 2.5 weeks or so, instead of just practicing the piece, really, I have been doing a lot of smaller things like scales and whatnot. Just so I don't kind of lose that ability to do scales, if I don't have the time to do focus on something. So anyway, let me stop talking. Let me just actually start playing, and that's basically going to be an update video for this week. And like I said, I was planning on having this piece finished by week 5. I did say that. I remember saying that, but obviously life got in the way. Life gets in the way. It's not as generous as you think it is. But let's just get started instead of keep speaking. Ah. music. Let's try that again just from that part, because I got rid of my my shoes because it's just not comfortable playing like that. But great, it's just gone. Fingering. That's right. Okay. So yeah, terrible, absolutely terrible. Yeah, especially the third page. I mean, there are sections in the third page that I'm fairly comfortable with. And section that I can play isolated very well. So if I take this section where the left hand goes, well, I think that part I can play fairly well. But I think the one section that I really need to work with is, first of all, that part, the left hand, for that, it's just absolutely terrible. That is something I'll definitely have to work on this week. And then the second thing is the whole that whole part. Yay. So yeah, like I said, I just want to take a quick update video because obviously I haven't made a video in quite a while. Week 6, I guess since I didn't keep the 5 weeks, at least the goal I should say, let's make a new goal of, I want to have it finished. I think by the end of this week it'll be at the point where I can play it 5 times out of 10. But the goal is, obviously I won't call a piece completed until I have it at least down to at least 9 out of 10 times. So I could play it 9 out of 10 times. If I can't do that, then it's not completed in my opinion. That's just the way I look at it. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame that obviously now the schoolwork all came into thing. Well, I was planning on doing it much later. I was planning on doing like towards halfway through in March, but then I decided, you know what, I might as well do it now because then I've got all of March basically to myself. So that's why the last couple of weeks have been fairly busy. I mean, 1 week there was a whole birthday thing, and then after that it was just, yeah, just busy. So anyway, it's a bit of a shame, but it is what it is, I guess. It is what it is. I'm wondering what I should play next. I really am. I'll probably be finished within the next week and a half or so. It depends. I'm gonna try and get it done by the end of this week, which means I'll have to see how that goes. I'll have to manage my time wisely this week, but I'll try and get it done by the end of this week. So if you see a video that is just called, you know, Moonlight Sonata, well, that is, what should I call it? If you see a piece that is, if you see a video that is just the piece in itself, then you know that I'm finished with it, like as always. So yeah, next time you see a video where it's just that in itself, then that means I'm finished with it and I'm probably working on something else. But obviously if you see a week something, I guess week 7 would be next. If you see a week 7 update, then that means I'm obviously not finished with it yet. So we'll see, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you guys next time. What's behind here? Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, bye. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, and have a nice day, everyone.